Now let's talk about the terms of an algebraic expression. So now we're going to discuss terms of an algebraic expression. So let me first write it and then I will explain you what are the terms. So the different parts of an algebraic expression which are separated by a plus or a minus sign are called terms of an algebraic expression. So what does it mean actually? That means whenever you are looking at the algebraic expression, to identify the terms of the algebraic expression, you have to look only for plus or a minus sign. So this plus or a minus sign acts as a boundary. Like in our house, we have different rooms. How do we identify those rooms? By walls, right? So wall acts as a boundary. Similarly, when we talk about algebraic expression, to identify the number of terms, we look at the boundaries. And boundaries are only plus or a minus sign. Now tell your brain it's only about plus or a minus sign which separates the terms. It's not multiplication or division sign. Let's look at the example. You get the better idea. So now here, if you want to look at the examples, so for example, if you write an algebraic expression, let's say we have got this is the expression, and I said that we just need to identify, we need to check plus or a minus sign. So let's look here. Now when I see here, I see this is first part and I see a plus sign. That means this is one term. And after the plus sign, again I see different part, the second part. That means this is second term. And after this I see a minus sign. That means this is the third term. So how many terms this expression has? It has three terms, 1, 2 and 3. How did I identify? I identified by looking at these plus and a minus sign. So what can I say? I can say that this expression has three terms. Simple enough, right? Let's take another example. And once I write this example, you can pause the video and you try answering this question on your own. So let me write it. So let's say now we have got this is just a random example which is what I'm writing here. Now if you want you can pause the video for 1 second or 2 seconds and try answering this question. Now let's see the answer. So if you go with the concept, it says we need to identify the walls here, which are plus or a minus sign. So we see plus sign here, then minus, we see plus and then minus. So this is one term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this expression, this expression has five terms. Simple enough, right? Okay, now see, I'm stressing on the word plus or a minus sign. That means if you see a division sign, do not get confused. That will be considered as one term. Let me give you an example. So let's say if I write here minus to the power 4 divided by, let's say, 12, minus 7x to the power 3 divided by, let's say, 14, minus 6x to the power 2 divided by 7 minus 3x divided by 4. So I have divided, we have got the terms which has got the division sign here, but we need to stick to our concept. That means this will be considered as one term. If you go to this, I go with this idea, that means I have got 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This expression has got 4 terms. This expression has 4 terms. So I think I made it a simple. Still, if you have any doubt, do let me know. You can practice more questions from your textbook. Go through this video again if you have any doubt. All right. Till then,